G'day guys, Matty Mac here again. You would have recently, if you were sort of following through, I recently did a bit of a review on a new My Online Startup program that has just sort of hit the market. And it's affiliate marketing training. If you have never done any sort of training on affiliate marketing, this is a fantastic free course to start with. It starts from the very beginning, the basics of affiliate marketing, and will guide you through by video lessons, step by step. You can go through at your own pace. There's no hurry to it. It is completely free to set up your free account and just follow through the steps. So if you are a beginner, not even if you're a beginner, but there's some really good stuff in here. So if you know anything about affiliate marketing or you want to learn about it, this is definitely the place to start. So if you're not already familiar with it, I'll leave a link below. Go through and set up your free account and just go through the video steps, step by step. Take your own, there's a sort of an introduction video as well, so watch that and then just follow through step by step. So as I said, this is completely free to do this course, so it's well worth if you're looking to learn. And if we just go through basically the step one, so it tells you about what affiliate marketing is and how it works, of course. The step two goes into more detail, the mindset, personality, of course, how to be successful, things like that. Lesson three will go into the niches. So the profitable niches, if you're not sure what to sell, these are the most profitable. Finding products, how you can go ahead and find products to sell, things like that. Then into lead generation, so of course how to get traffic to your site, to your offer. Creating capture pages or lead pages, building your email list, things like that, all available. So and then just keep going through and follow at your own pace, which is really good. Now, as I said, this is completely free to do this section of it. When you are ready, what you can do is upgrade to the partner status. It's $147 to upgrade to partner, but then that allows you to, first of all, it allows you to promote this product, give away free course and promote the product as well and start earning from this program. So it's not a reoccurring, it's just a one-off $147. And then you can start promoting it yourself and get your own customers, your own leads, things like that. So that's what they call the partner program. And then there's a whole bunch of modules and videos on the partner section of it. So this is the upgrade, how to boost your affiliate system. And then even to the point of a done for you sales system. So this is the owner here, Chuck, will go ahead and build out a complete sales funnel for you. It takes a couple of days to do, but you put in all your details and he'll go in and set up everything from landing pages, follow-up email sequences, all done for you. So that in itself, just that is certainly worth more than $150. But if you're not sure how to do that, he can do it for you. Now, as time goes on, he'll sort of teach you all these things that you need to know as well. But to have something like that that's ready to go within a couple of days, and then all you need to do is promote, and it will automatically send the emails that it needs to, follow up with prospects, all that sort of thing is done to you. So that's called the partner program. And then the third step onto that one is called the legendary program or the legendary partner. And that's about $500. But that's when you jump into very high ticket affiliate items. So they're your $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 products. So, but that's for much more advanced affiliate marketers. So just start with, again, if you're a starter, if you're a beginner, just start with a free course. Go through that. You'll learn a ton of stuff anyway. It won't cost you a thing. Just set up your free account via the link below and start with that. Just go through, take your time. There's quite a few hours of learning there, of videos, but that's where you need to start. Also, within each one, there's a little drop-down menu here, and there's a bunch of tools and resources. So if you want to go through, this is what Chuck recommends, and there's some books and programs and things. If you want to, as you go on, you're going to want to get some more tools and learn more. So these are some pretty good places to start. So WordPress plugins and books and other programs and things like that. So at your own pace, go through that. And then when you're ready, when you feel that you really want to take the next step, then you jump up to partner status. $147, as I say, and then a whole bunch more learning, of course. And this is good steps to take. Start small, really wait until you grasp the concept of affiliate marketing, of course, and then jump in when you're ready. And it's not very expensive to start, and then you'll start earning some money there. And when you're ready to take the next step, it's about $500, and then you'll start earning the big commission stuff. So, but start small. As I said, so I'll leave a couple of links below. I've also done a couple of reviews if you want to read more about it. So I'll leave a link for that if you want to. But by all means, just dive in, and then some resources that I've recommended as well. So I've got some of those in there as well if you're interested. I'll leave those 3 links down the bottom there. At your own pace, go on through, check it out, and we'll get you learning first, and then we'll get you earning. So jump in and give it a go.